minute.
Is it
What is time
from
response?
0 to 5? From low to low, something like that,
Yeah,
or from
it's-
low to
From low, no, here
Okay.
it's from low to low again, because this is
Miss Mary,
In-
this case will not be 0
it's
to
already
5 minutes,
three.
right? Yes, this is
It's
the
already
above
three,
case,
right?
30 minutes. Mm.
30 minutes.
So already, Chairman, what we're talking about is already trip, right?
Yes.
So again, we go same as above, 0 to 30 minutes. Yeah,
30 minutes. So,
it's already trip.
so Guru Murthy. Guru.
Chairman, yes.
Guru, what?
No, first of all,
people
we
are-
don't understand the concept which is going in this. First time, few times you're going about PSC, few times about SD, and
No,
IPC is
no, no.
available. Really?
Yeah, see, first of all, Guru, I mean, kindly listen it. Don't say it's not going. We have done 8 shifts and we have answered all the question. So we try to see, and this is a team job. Please do not say you are not understanding. And
No,
you are
no,
not
Chairman.
understanding that
Actually,
means
no. I'm not getting the concept. Okay, sometimes you are telling that. Okay, I have the trip, then I have the protection. I will not consider this as alarm protection. For example, each alarm
No, no,
have
no,
some
no.
meaning, right?
Then
1 minute.
this challenge. See, this
Yeah.
is not my decision. This is a team decision. You need to challenge the team. This is not chairman is taking decision. Team is saying that it is not possible if alarm is there and if operator is not not able to take the response on the alarm, no problem. So this is team is saying, process guy is saying, instrument guy is saying. So we have to challenge. If you don't agree, then we will stop the workshop. What I'm saying. So let us not say you are not understanding. It means either we are not listening you or you are not able to convince the team or team is not able to convince. So we have to agree the right solution here. So here what we are saying that on LSAL, the
Chairman,
operator has to take.
can you do help for me? Can you open your previous alarm management workshop report, whichever you have it, which you done it earlier?
This is not here with me. This is not here with me, and I have done for KPO another project.
No, whichever project based on ages did you perform any workshop earlier based upon these ages?
With edges I have
Not
not done. No, with the edges I have not done.
okay.
Yeah. So okay, now let us go logically. Let us understand logically. If LSAR will come, the operator has to take action, and if operator doesn't take action, it will trip.
No, because LSAL is the trip.
alarm.
It will alarm, but it's same as a trip
Trip
set point.
So
When
yes,
this alarm